Good morning, students. Today we will discuss sample paper number 4. Okay, this question paper is for class 12th. Most of the students were saying that it should be in English, so today we will solve it in English. Okay, let's start now. First, we will take general instructions. All questions are compulsory. There are total 36 questions. Question paper is divided into 3 sections A, B and C. Section A has question number 1 to 14. These all are objective type questions. Okay. And all are 1 mark each. Then section B, it has question number 15 to 21. These questions are case study based questions. All are multiple choice questions and are of 1 mark each. Okay. Now we will take section number C. It has question number 22 to 27 of 2 mark each. Then question number 28 and 29 of 3 mark each. And then question number 30 to 33 of 4 mark each and question number 34 to 36 of 5 mark each. Okay. Internal choices are given in some questions. First, we will start with section A. These all are objective type questions. Identify the new constituent present in food which was found by researchers that have psychological and biological activity and influence health. And the answer is phytochemicals. Another question, Mrs. Verma avoid consuming spinach because of the presence of which non-nutrient constituent in it? Yes, you have 4 options. Then the answer is yes, oxalates. D. Now we will take question number 2. In what way job effectiveness in any workplace can be improved? The answer is D, both B and C. Then we will take question number 3. In 1810, 1810 developed the method of canning. Yes, who developed the method of canning? Nicholas Appert. Now question number 4. You got a job in hotel and your responsibility is to organize, supervise and control all uniformed services. You must be appointed as, the answer is B, lobby manager. Or you got a job in hotel and your responsibility is to coordinate with front office for information on departures of guests and get vacated rooms cleaned. You must be appointed as, yes, the answer is C, desk control supervisor. Now we will discuss question number 5. Red Ribbon Express project was implemented by NACO in cooperation with, yes, the answer is B, Indian Railways. Match the followings now. Manufactured food. Manufactured food is papad. Yes. Medical food is lactose free milk. Formulated food is, फॉर्मुलेटेड फूड कौन सा हो गया? ब्रेड. ब्रेड फॉर्मुलेटेड होती है. नेक्स्ट इज सिंथेटिक फूड एंड सिंथेटिक फूड इज एंजाइम्स यूज्ड इन फूड इंडस्ट्री. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Salmonella exists in the intestinal tract of animals, raw milk and eggs, but it can be destroyed by, the answer is A, heating. Now we will discuss question number 8. Is responsible for planning, organizing and controlling. Yes. Is responsible. Who is responsible for planning, organizing and controlling the kitchen operations? Who is responsible? The answer is executive chef. Yes, the answer is A. Now we will take question number 9. These all are fill in the blanks. The term dash was first coined in 1972 by Quebrel. The term dash was first coined in 1972 by Quebrel. The answer is development communication. Yes. Now the next question is a brief message between radio programs, generally in the form of jingles. The answer is PSA, Public Service Announcements. Now we will take question number 10. The word ergonomics is derived from two Greek words. यहाँ पर आपको बताना है two Greek words कौन कौन से हैं. First is ergon and second is nomics. Ergon means work and nomics means natural law. Okay. Now we will discuss question number 11. यहाँ पर you will tell the identify the craft and the name of the state in which it is practiced. This is Shola craft from Odisha. Next, identify the painting and name the state where it is popular. Yes, you will identify this is Varli painting from Maharashtra. Okay, now we will take question number 12. Draw the standard mark found on pure silk garment. Then you will draw here the silk mark. Okay. Now we will take question number 13. Predict two benefits of seva for local group of women. You will tell here two benefits of seva. One is it achieve employment and self-reliance for women workers, and second is support in other related areas like income, food and social security. You can write any two here. Okay, now we will discuss question number 14. After schooling, your elder sister completed her training in ECCE, Early Childhood Care and Education, your elder sister. Now you will suggest two wage employment opportunities available to her. You will suggest. Now you can suggest her a teacher in nursery school or caregivers in daycare centers and crèches. Next, team members for programs for young children. Now you can write only two. Okay, now the next question. What two skills should Sudha possesses to work as an early child care professionals? Okay, you will tell two skills. Okay, first is interest in children and their development. Okay, knowledge about the needs and capabilities of young children, and capacity and motivation for interaction with children. You can tell any two skills. Okay, now we will start section C. First question is, these all questions are case study based questions. Okay, first you will read this case study, then you will answer the questions. You will read the paragraph and then you will read the question. First we will start question number 15. Okay, micronutrient deficiencies are referred as. You will tell micronutrient deficiencies. The answer is hidden hunger, B point. Then, so question number 16. Which of the following is immediate cause of undernutrition? The answer is A, inadequate dietary intake. Now, we will take question number 17. When the height of the child is less than adequate for age, this is termed as, the answer is B. The answer is B, stunting. Next, the question number 18. Which of the following is incorrect statement? You will tell here, you will read all these statement and you will tell the incorrect statement. The answer is D. Protein deficiency is called as marasmus. Okay. Now you will read this paragraph and answer the question. Question number 19. First you will read it carefully, then you will answer the question. Which word can be used for brightness of a color? Brightness, you will tell here brightness of a color. You have 4 options here. The answer is intensity, B. Okay. Now question number 20. Colors are said to be contrasting if they are. The answer is A. Different in lightness and darkness. Now you will read next question. Yellow orange, red orange and yellow green are examples of. Yes, the answer is A. Intermediate colors. Okay. Now question number 21. Which of the following visual element is concerned with the shade of a color? You will tell here the shade of the color. The answer is C. Value. When white color is added to any other color, it is called as. The answer is yes, C. Tint. If you will add white color, then it will be tint, and if you will add black color, it will be shade. It will be shade of the color. Now we will start section C. Okay. Question number 22. First question we will take. A healthy environment is a positive work environment. Write any 4 ways by which a teacher can create healthy environment in her class. Yes, you will tell here 4 ways by which a teacher can create healthy environment in the class. First, paying adequate attention to the individual student's needs. Next, building a positive work climate, motivating students, and being fair and treating all students equally. Okay, you will write any 4. Now, next question we will take. This is question number 23. First, we will take the second part of 22 question. This is write any 4 personal attributes which should be possessed by an entrepreneur. Yes, you will tell here 4 ways by which 4 personal attributes which should be possessed by an entrepreneur are willingness to work hard, knowledge and skills for planning and implementation, having the courage to take calculated risks, and ability and preparedness to handle many tasks. Okay. Next, now we will take question number 23. Compare 2 advantages and disadvantages of food diet-based approach used to combat public nutrition problems. You will write the answer of this question. First, you will write the advantages and then disadvantages. So, you will draw a table here and divided it into 2 parts. In first block, you will write advantages, and in second block, you will write disadvantages. Okay. Diet or food based strategy, then you will write the advantages, that highly cost effective and wide coverage and any other. Okay, then you will write the disadvantages: requires research and does not lead to long term dietary behavioral changes, and any other 2 you can write. Okay, next, and then you will take the question number 24. Elaborate on the 4 stages of guest cycle. You will draw here the guest cycle. Okay, first you will write pre-arrival stage, then arrival stage, then occupancy, and then you will write the departure. Okay, then we will take question number. You will elaborate it briefly. Okay, now you will do enlist any 4 functions of housekeeping department. You will write here functions of housekeeping department. Then you will write here cleaning of public areas and guest rooms, supply and upkeep of laundry and exchange of various linens, and internal flower arrangement and maintenance of external landscape or garden. Or you can write here pest control, or you can write here coordination and communication with the other departments such as front offices and restaurants, engineerings, accounts, etc. You can write here through control desk. Okay, now we will discuss question number 24. ICT is a powerful tool of development, communication and information. Pupil support this statement with 4 reasons. Then you will write the answer here. ICT is a powerful tool of development, communication and information, and this is an umbrella term that includes computer hardware and software, digital broadcast and telecommunication technologies. And then you will write use of mobile phones has enabled and facilitated the expansion of markets, social business and public services. Then you will write mobile phones have provided a wide range of economic services, banking and financial transactions, and marketing and distributions, employment and public services. ICTs are economically, socially and socially transformatives. Okay, now we will take question number 26. Enumerate any 4 primary requirements when preparing for a career in the field of care and maintenance of fabric. Yes, you will write the answer here. First, you will write the knowledge of the material in term of fiber content, yarn and fabric, and production techniques. Okay, then you will write the color and finishes. Okay, knowledge of the processed in jitni process involved, knowledge of the chemicals and other reagents used in the process and their effect on the fabric. Next, you will write working knowledge of the machinery requirement and its functioning. Okay, now we will discuss question number 27. You can write any 4. Okay, why were children's homes formed, and indicate the need of 3 kinds of children's home. Why were children's home formed? You will write here. This is for 2 mark. Okay, children's homes are formed by the government for children 3 to 18 years who are in state custody for various reasons. Then you will write need of 3 kinds of children's homes. First, you will write observation home. You will define it. Then you will write special homes. You will define it. Then you will write juvenile or children's homes. Then you will define it. Okay, each one you can explain. Okay, now we will discuss question number 18. You have bought a silk fabric to get a frock stitched for your younger sister. Illustrate 3 different ways to create rhythm in the frock. You will draw here a pattern. Okay, and you will draw the repetition of embroidery, laces, buttons, piping, colors, etc. Okay, at the necklace you can draw, sleeves you can draw. Okay, or hemline of the frock you can draw anywhere. Now the question number 29. Remind it, students, diagram of this fabric is necessary here. You will draw a diagram. Then you will draw rhythm in the frog. Okay. Radiation, you can draw radiation, where eyes move in an organized way from a central point. Okay, you can draw gathers in waist, yoke, or cuffs, etc. Next, you can draw tucks in a yoke, or knife pleats in a skirt or in a frock. You can draw here. Now we will discuss question number 29. This question is of 3 mark. Why are elderly vulnerable? You will define here why are elderly vulnerable. Give 2 reasons to support your answer. Name any 2 programs operating in our country for elderly people. Also tell about 2 administrative skills required to work with organizations running for elderly people. Okay, first you will define it. Vulnerable to disease, poor health or condition, any other condition, social isolation, financial dependent, or sense of burden, or any other, you any two you can write. 2 programs operating in our country: old age homes, okay, national old age pension schemes. Now you will write 2 skills required to work with organizations running for elderly people. First you will write here people skills, and then administrative skills. Okay. Now we will discuss another question. Why were Nehru Yuva Kendra established, and list any 4 programs run under these kendras? To provides opportunities to students. Okay, you will define here why were Nehru Yuva Kendras established. Then you will list any 4 programs. Okay, so you will write here to provide opportunities to students who have completed their first degree, to involve themselves in programs of national development. Then you will write 4 programs, as you can write non-formal education, social services camps, and development of sports. You can write any 4. Then we will discuss question number 30. You are working in a high-tech laundry of a hotel. What 4 factors will you keep in mind for before choosing the process of washing a fabric? Then you will write the answer here: fiber content, type of yarn, fabric constructions, techniques, and finished used. Okay, जो finishes used, which finishes you had used. Okay, then you are using a dryer to dry and the washed fabric. Explain the 2 types of circulation system in a dryer. You will write here circulation, 2 types of circulation system. You can write here. Now we will take another question. How are the laundry in hospitals different from a hotel? Okay. First you will write in hospitals, then in hospitality sectors. Okay. Now we will take question number 31. A food hazard can come into the food at any stage of the food chain. Therefore, adequate control throughout the food chain is essential. Explain 3 ways with 2 features of each to ensure food safety and quality. Also state 2 importance of FSSA I 2006. Okay, you will write here food safety and quality can be ensured through good manufacturing practices, GMP. Then you will write good handling practices indicate a comprehensive approach from the farm to the store or consumer. Then you will write here hazard analysis critical control point, HACCP. Okay, now we will take question number 32. It is of 4 mark. Mr. Anil wants to open up an institution for children. Guide him about any four principles given by NCF 2005 to be kept in mind. Question number 32. You will write here four principles given by NCF 2005. First is play as the basis for learning, art as the basis of education, mix of formal and informal interactions, and use of local materials, art and knowledge. You can write here any 4 points. Then question number B part of this question, which four facilities must be included in the institutions for children. Four facilities must be included in the institution for children are safety arrangements, clean drinking water, medical facilities. You can write any four. Next is question number 33. Elaborate on 8 knowledge and skills required by a personnel involved in food product development. Then you will write 8 knowledge and skills required by a personnel involved in food product development are knowledge of food preparation and cooking, knowledge of food specification, observing and measuring quality control as per specification, assessment by sensory methods, industrial practices and manufacturing system and their control, labeling of marketable product, packaging of marketable product, and hazard analysis and critical control point. You can write any 8 points here. Now we will take question number 34. Compare 2 points of difference between tube feeding and intravenous feeding, and also give 3 each objectives of diet therapy and role of clinical nutritionist. Then you will draw a table here. In first part you will write tube feeding, then another part you will write intravenous feeding. Okay, then you will write the objectives of diet therapy. Okay, next you will write the here role of clinical nutritionist. Or okay, role of clinical nutritionist is necessary here. You will write as provide advice and translate technical information into dietary guidelines, plan diets, or promote health and well-being of patient admitted to hospital, or manage food services in a variety of institutional settings. You can write here any other food. Then we will discuss here question number 35. It is for 5 marks. During season sales, your brother wants to buy geyser on discounted price. Explain him for each responsibilities and rights of consumer in this context. Also tell him about 2 features of Consumer Protection Act. In answer you will write here 4 responsibilities of consumers. Then you will write the 4 rights of consumers. Then you will write 2 features of Consumer Protection Act. Then you will write skills required for, then you will write here features of Consumer Protection Act. Okay, and then we will take another question. Your friend wants to pursue career in a consumer related field. Guide him about 5 each skills and career opportunities of this field. Wants to pursue career in consumer related field. Okay, then you will skills required of a career in consumer fields are you will tell that knowledge about consumer protection mechanism and readdressal agencies, and good communication and interpersonal skills, empathetic and understanding attitude, good listeners, creative in developing programs, writing skills for developing educational material for consumer education, willingness to help follow consumers. Any 5 you can write here. Then you will write the career opportunities, work in government organizations, BIS or AGMARC or Ministry of Consumer Affairs in technical positions. You can write here. Then we will take question number 36. It is last question. It is of 5 marks. Your sister want to go in for a career of fashion designer. Explain her the 5 stages of fashion cycle. You will explain here fashion cycle. Introduction of a style. New styles are offered by the designers to the public. Design or designs are created by the changing the elements such as line, color, shape, fabric and other details you can write here. Then you will write increase in popularity, and new fashions may begin to rise in popular, and new fashions may begin to rise in popularity as it is purchased, worn and seen by many people. And next you will write the peak of popularity, when a fashion is at the height of its popularity. Okay, now we have discussed this question paper. All the students will write it on your notebook and practice it. Okay, thank you students, we will meet soon. Thanks again.